Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to use vehicle motion cues on any iPhone. Now, first of all, just make sure that your iPhone is running on iOS 18 or later. Now, to check if your iPhone is on iOS 18 or later, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on About and check if your iPhone is running on iOS 18 or later, because this feature is only available on iPhones which are running on iOS 18 or later. Now, to enable this feature, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Motion, and you will find the option of Vehicle Motion Cues. Just tap on it, and from here you can either select On, and it will be on all the time, or you can select automatically in Vehicle, and it will only turn on when it detects that you are in a vehicle. Now, what this feature basically does, that it moves the dots to reduce motion sickness, just like that. And this is how you can use vehicle motion cues on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.